We are given an equation of an ellipse. 4y squared plus x squared is equal to 8. We're told to graph this ellipse by hand and to verify the results with a graphing utility. In order to graph an ellipse, there are certain characteristics that we're going to need to identify. We can identify these from the given equation with a little bit of work. First thing is to rewrite the equation so that it is equal to 1. We're going to divide all three terms by 8 and rewrite the equation. Now I just like to have the x squared term first with an ellipse, so x squared over 8 plus y squared over 2 equals 1. The center of this ellipse is found by noticing that we have a simple x squared and y squared term. Therefore, the center is 0, 0. The major axis is my x-axis because the number underneath the x squared term is bigger than the number underneath the y squared term. So my major axis is x. Now my x-intercepts, we're going to take the square root of that denominator, the square root of 8, and we'll go to the left of 0 and to the right of 0 as my x-intercepts. My y-intercepts, I want to take the square root of the number underneath y squared. So that's the square root of 2. I'm going to go above the origin, square root of 2 units, and below the origin, square root of 2 units, which I can estimate on the graph. The foci are going to lie along the x-axis. How we find that is we use c squared equals a squared minus b squared. So c squared equals 6, therefore c equals the square root of 6. Again, it's going to be to the left of the origin and to the right of the origin, the square root of 6 units. Now I can graph by connecting my vertices and my intercepts, noticing the foci are there. So that's how we graph an ellipse given its equation.